Natural homemade antibiotic, cures everything, never had to go to the doctor again. And to start, I'm going to put a head of garlic, a lemon, and 5 bay leaves in a container. I'll cover it with water, and I'll add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. It can also be apple cider vinegar. And now I'm going to let it sit here for about 30 minutes to thoroughly sanitize all these ingredients. After 30 minutes, just wash it very well, drain the water, and rinse it. Take the opportunity to like this post and leave your city down below where you're watching this video. After washing very well, we're going to slice the lemon thinly. And lemon controls blood pressure, protects blood vessels, prevents and fights cancer, has antiseptic and antibiotic effects, strengthens the immune system, fights aging, accelerates healing, prevents iron deficiency anemia, collaborates with kidney health, improves digestive system functioning. After slicing the lemon, we'll need a sanitized jar. We're going to put the garlic head in there. And garlic fights viruses, fungi, and bacteria, prevents colon cancer, protects heart health, improves inflammatory diseases, prevents respiratory diseases, keeps the brain healthy, and has several other benefits. We'll also add the 5 bay leaves. After putting all these ingredients in the jar, we're also going to add 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And it's important that it's apple cider vinegar. And we'll cover it with water. Apple cider vinegar has several health benefits. Apple cider vinegar prevents diabetes, improves joints and cramps, protects the liver, improves symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, aids digestion, and weight loss. Bay leaves will reduce anxiety, decrease inflammation, strengthen the immune system, control diabetes, improve the respiratory system, are good for the skin, reduce fever, and promote muscle relaxation. You're going to cover and store it in a well-ventilated, dark place for at least 12 hours to enhance all the benefits. And then you can consume it. And there you have a natural homemade antibiotic in your home. With all these benefits that I mentioned, remember that this syrup is only recommended for adults. I really hope you liked it. Leave me a rating from 0 to 10. Share with your friends and family. God bless you and see you in the next video.